1, 2, 3, yellow, brown, green.
Shut up!
Cartoons. I have to go to the bathroom.
Axe, you just went to the bathroom.
Yes, but now I need to go again.
Damn it, number 1 or number 2?
Number 3.
Honestly, Axe, this is ridiculous. Wait, what's number 3?
You know, 1, 2, 3, yellow, brown, green.
Oh, get off! Get off! Every time.
Every time. Whew, okay. Come on, kid.
I'm trying.
What's the matter?
Oh, I'm stuck in the mud.
What's wrong?
Gee, Axe, what did I just say?
Come on, boy.
Whoa, what did you just call me?
What's the matter?
I'm stuck in this f***ing mud. I told you we shouldn't have stopped.
Oh, I understand.
What? You understand what?
It's just too difficult for you.
No, it's not. Watch this.
Kid, you're sinking! Come on, turn around! You have to now!
I'm trying! Pull harder!
Come on! Kid, fight against the sadness, kid!
What are you even talking about?
Kid, please! You're letting the sadness of the swamps get to you!
You're the one getting to me right now! Keep pulling!
You have to try! You have to care! For me! You're my friend! Kid, I love you!
If I'm going down, I'm taking you with me!
Kid! Stupid whore!